After spending some time settling into our house and getting some boring maintenance projects out of the way, we were finally ready to start making content for our channel. The problem was, we just weren't exactly sure where to start.
Hey, so we haven't posted a video in a while. We should probably get something going or people are going to think we gave up.
Yeah, I just feel like we gotta do something interesting. Something that really catches people's attention.
No, I think we should do something that doesn't take too much time. Just something easy to get the ball rolling.
Hear me out. What if we go big? Let's build a greenhouse. They're super popular on YouTube right now.
If you want to build something, we should probably redo the deck first. No?
I really don't want to do that right now. It seems really hard. Plus, it technically works fine the way it is.
But you want to build a greenhouse? Look, I think it should just be something low effort, something we can just put out. What about like the awnings?
Great, here's a video about the awnings. When we first moved into our house, we had these big ugly awnings that we didn't like. So then we took them down with basically no drama at all, and here's what it looks like. If anyone's interested, the awnings are available on Facebook Marketplace. Cool. Video done.
Okay, fine. I get your point. It's too short. How about the mailbox then? It's not that big of a project. It's a DIY. We could probably get it done in a few days.
Yeah, okay. We could 3D print it.
So just like an easy video, something super straightforward, just, show the whole process. So like imagine this, okay? So we're in the office and we're designing the mailbox and, we can show clips of like the old mailboxes and maybe even some design inspiration. And then, show the 3D printer working and cut to like the garage where you're putting it together, right? And we can show you like gluing it and stuff like that, show how it's made.
I don't know. Nobody wants to watch how it's made. That sounds so boring. And what does it look like we shot it on a phone?
Because we're gonna shoot it on a phone. Remember? Quick timeline, just get it done.
I don't know. That doesn't sound right to me.
Well, what do you propose then?
Okay. Imagine this. It starts out like a normal YouTube video. We're walking down the driveway out to the mailbox and I'm like, since we've got a long list of intimidating projects that we're not ready to do yet, we decided that this would be a perfect time to redo our mailbox. But then it turns out the mailbox is alive and he's like mad because we didn't know. So I'm all like, how was I supposed to know you're alive or whatever? What are you, like a haunted mailbox or something? But then he gets really offended by that and calls me ignorant. So then you step in and you're like, okay, everybody just relax for a second. But he says that he won't let us shoot the video anymore. So you're like, please mailbox, what can we do to make this right? And he decides he wants creative control over the entire video.
Okay, stop. What are you even talking about right now? What does that have to do with us making a mailbox?
I don't know. I hadn't gotten that far yet. But it's creative. Who has a talking mailbox in their video?
Nobody.
Exactly.
Okay, so where was I? Design it, print it, glue it. All right, so now we're in the garage and we show clips of you like sanding and bondoing and like sanding. Maybe we make it like a quick montage so we don't have to show the entire process. And then paint, right? So let's do something cute, like color match it to the house. And we have that fun copper paint that we can use on the numbers.
Great, so we're literally making people watch paint dry.
No, it would be a time lapse. Okay, I feel like you're just being negative now. So anyways, we'll go to like installing it then. So we'll probably have to put a post in, a new post. So that'll be a whole thing, right? And then we have to like mount the mailbox and do some landscaping, put some plants around it, make it look nice. Then just show it like being a finished mailbox.
There's gotta be like 100 videos already about how to install a mailbox. What about this is creative or unique?
What do you mean? The entire thing. We're gonna be designing and printing our own mailbox.
I don't know. I just feel like if we don't tell a story, no one's gonna wanna watch. Like what if, after we finish installing the mailbox, it turns out our old mailbox needs to transfer his consciousness from the old mailbox into the new one that we just installed?
You're back on this again?
Yes. So we ask him if it's dangerous, and it turns out that it's super dangerous, or maybe even fatal. So he asks us to stand back for our own safety. I try to wish him good luck, and he's like, shut the fuck up, I'm trying to concentrate. And the sky gets all crazy with colorful thunder and lightning, and he's all like, ah! 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 Ah!
Okay, I really feel like this is getting out of control. You're talking about an entire VFX sequence. We don't know how to do that. Plus, you haven't shown the actual mailbox we're going to build at any point. Isn't that the entire reason for the video?
Well, I was gonna get there.
When?
Okay, so like later that night, we're still waiting on signs of life from Mailbox, you know, because at this point we've like forged a real relationship with him and we care. So we're waiting in the bathroom to get ready for bed, and we're like, oh man, is Mailbox still alive? Plus, what happens to our video if he dies? You know?
Nope.
Whatever. Well, anyways, it doesn't matter because that next morning we wake up and it turns out Mailbox is completely okay, back doing his thing again.
Wait, why is there a tripod? Is that a phone?
Well, yeah, because he needs to film the video about his house.
Yeah, but why does the Mailbox have his own phone?
Well, you know, because he needed to shoot his own video.
Ian.
Because he wanted to do it his way.
Okay, this is going off the rails. Let's just think of something else.
Okay. What if we make it like MTV Cribs? Hear me out. It's like, yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mailbox. Check out my crib.
Okay, I'm done here.
So, are we going to just make the Mailbox now, or what?
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mailbox. Welcome to my crib. Come on in. Just kidding, you guys won't fit inside. Now that I'm settled in, I wanted to give you a full tour of my new place. Check it out! Up front, this chunky brass handle is the highlight of the entryway, which leads you into the massive main area. Plenty of space for magazines or packages. Up top are these large contrasting address numbers, one of my favorite elements. Notice how their leaned back angle matches the lines on the main body. This really helps tie the whole design together and will make the property more visible from the street. A win-win for anyone coming to visit the main house. And look at the flag! All the angles carry through here as well, keeping the design language consistent throughout. Overall, I'd give Ian and Erika like a 6 out of 10 on build quality, but they tried really hard, so like and subscribe to their channel. Thanks guys!